subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified when I upload a video. So hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I am going to tell you a website which is very useful for Minecraft players. So let's get started. So first you need a browser, any browser. I'm opening Google. Then you have to type Chunkbase, Chunkbase. Okay. So here it is. So click on the first website, and I'm telling you it will really help you if you are a Minecraft player. Okay, then go to apps here. Then you can see this type of interface. So you can find many things, like you can even find Woodland Mansion, but in survival it's of use, but for fun you have to find the Woodland Mansion map from trading by the villagers. Then you can find many things, and the main thing I like is finding slime chunks to make lead and sticky pistons. And the second thing I like is, yes, nether fortress. And you can find many things, it's your choice. You can even find a village, but I don't prefer to find, because it's fun to find it on our own. So first let me show you slime chunk. So click on slime chunk. Yes, so first you have to enter your seed. Before that you have to select the version of your Minecraft. So there, for now, as of now, there are Java edition and Bedrock editions. So there is no Pocket edition, but I think Pocket edition will also come, because first there was only Java edition, then Bedrock, then I think Pocket edition will also come. So mine is Bedrock version, so I will select that. And you have to enter seed of a world, or if not, then you can see random. Here's a button of random, but I have my seed, so I will enter. And I will also make a video to how to make seed, how to find seed, sorry. So my seed is 116479 then again 6. Okay, then sorry, then you have to enter. Yes, so it is loading. Yes, so these are you can see the green square type of boxes. So these are the places where you can find slime chunks, and slime chunks are used for making lead or sticky pistons. Okay, so here you can see the X, Y and Z. Like here I press on this one, so here you can see X is minus 184.7 and Z coordinate is 25.4. And I can also make a video to how to switch on the coordinates, because many people find a difficulty in that. So see, there are so many slime chunk finder, you can check anyone. Okay, so let me tell you the other features. So you can also find mineshaft. Let me show you stronghold one. Yes, then again you have to enter the seed, and you have to select the option of your version, like mine is Bedrock, I will do bedrock only, and then I have to enter seed. So again my seed is 116 479, then 2616. Okay, yes. So you can see these red dots. So these red dots are the strongholds. There are many strongholds in a world. So when you find one, you have to click on it. Yes, so this is one of them. Yes. So you have to click on the red dot. Then you can note the coordinates of 607.4 is the x coordinate and the z coordinate is 594.9. You can check the nearest stronghold from your home, but I prefer that you find it by ender pearls, not like this, because it will destroy the fun. So there are many things like this, so you can check from there, guys. Thanks for watching.